7 ways to make money with no money. A lot of people hold themselves back from making money because they believe they are missing something. They believe they need capital, knowledge, or partnerships. All of those things are important, sure. But there are also ways to make money with no money at all. In this video, we discuss 7 ways how. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method of earning money online in which you receive a commission every time you help a company sell a product or service. Affiliate marketing is a form of passive income, meaning that individuals enrolled in this scheme use it as a secondary source of income. In spite of this, affiliate marketing has the potential to create millionaires. It can become your primary course of income if you get good enough at it. When it comes to affiliate marketing itself, there are a number of tools one could use to get the job done. Sometimes these tools overlap with other internet marketing strategies, such as email marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, and so on. You don't really need money to get into affiliate marketing. You could wind up working for big websites, such as Amazon affiliates. 6. Freelancing. Freelancing is a form of making money in which an individual bounces from employer to employer without committing their time to any long-term project. Some people use freelancing as a side hustle, while others use it as their main source of income. In any case, it can sometimes be difficult to find work as a freelancer. However, there are a plethora of websites that can help you find clients and projects to work on. With freelancing, you choose the pace at which you work. You also have great control over the flow of your income. As with affiliate marketing, you don't need money to get into freelancing. You just need to have some sort of marketable skill. It could be writing, video creation, video editing, or something else. You'll definitely meet people who are willing to buy your services for the right fee. 5. Selling biological assets. A great way to make money without money is by selling your biological assets. These are things such as sperm, hair, and eggs that others could be in dire need of. There are legal markets for these sorts of assets. If you want to go down this path, though, you need to do a lot of research to make sure you would not inadvertently hurt yourself. There are many cases of people selling a vital biological organ only to realize later on that it was a bad idea. Sure, the money you can get from going down this path can be quite a lot. However, it won't be worth the development of serious health conditions down the line. Not all biological assets are worth the same, sure, and so, make sure whatever you let go of is something you're comfortable with. Don't let desperation make you do something you might regret. There was a Chinese gentleman who sold his kidney to buy an iPad only for his remaining kidney to fail him years later. 4. Renting and selling possessions. One of the major ways you can make money without money is by selling and renting stuff you own which you don't need. Although this isn't really a stable source of income, it can generate so much cash regardless. Think about it. There's so much stuff you have which you no longer have use for. This could be old clothes, toys, jewelry, books, anything. And so, consider selling these objects to someone else who's far more likely to make use of them. The market for this kind of goods definitely exists. You can host something like a yard sale, go door to door, or use a website. Whichever path you choose, you're sure to get your money. It will also prevent you from accumulating garbage or letting things waste away until they are no longer usable. 3. Tutor. Tutoring is one of the classical methods available for anyone to make money without money. The market is created by parents who do not want to hire expensive professionals to teach their kids. Tutoring is a great avenue for anyone to earn money while strengthening their knowledge as well. In addition, it shouldn't be too hard to do, provided you have patience and understand the concepts pretty well yourself. Tutoring doesn't have to be only in real life, either. You could also take your tutoring efforts online. This way, you even get access to more clients. And it would be easier for you to set up lessons, share resources, and create homework. By working online, you'll also begin to set up a personal brand, and this will provide bigger and better opportunities. 2. Enter content creation. Content creation covers a wide variety of things. Defined, it is the contribution of information to any media, especially digital media, for an end user or audience in specific contexts. One of the most popular forms of content creation is video creation. You could use platforms like YouTube to publish your content and create an audience of loyal fans. If your content is good, then you will have a high number of views. A high number of views means you'll attract key investors and sponsors. Once that happens, you'll be earning so much money. Depending on the platform, you can also earn money from ad revenue. The most successful YouTube content creator, PewDiePie, earns $60 million a year. 1. Create a blog. Creating a blog is a subset of content creation. However, it's a rather specialized area of expertise. The core principles are the same, sure, but the nature of the content, how often it has to be pushed, the type of sponsors available, and how to market are all different. Some of these elements are harder, while some are easier. Provided you can find and satisfy a particular niche for your blog, then it would be relatively easy for readers to find it through search engines. How you optimize your content also matters. In any case, once the audiences begin to show up, there are so many ways to monetize this attention. You could use ClickFunnels, online stores, or adverts. Coming to the end of this video, we hope you have learned vital lessons on how to make money with no money. You really don't need that much. With what little you have, you can go really far. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel. Until next time, have a great day.